If you're not content marketing in your business, you are missing out on thousands of dollars. That's why in this video, we're gonna walk through different kinds of content marketing that you can implement into your business. And as a bonus, we're gonna give you the resources to do it today. Let's get into it. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mike Kyle. I'm the content manager here at CGN, and my goal is to help you make more money in your business through content marketing. In our last video, I talked about what content marketing is. Content marketing is defined as distributing information or entertainment in order to drive sales, increase brand awareness, or hit another objective. Link to that video will be right up here, so check that out if you missed it. And of course, subscribe down below so you don't miss more videos about content marketing and generating more money for your business. Now in this video, we're gonna break down the best methods for content marketing in your business and getting started for them today. And you're actually watching the first one right now, which is video. Video is the #1 form of content, with 82% of all internet traffic last year being video based. But why is video so great? Because it's engaging. Whether it's a Mr. Beast video or a math teacher teaching algebra, video is a powerful tool for both education and entertainment. Video makes it super easy for your potential customer to know about your business, whether it be project walkthroughs, behind the scenes of product development, or meet the team videos. Video allows your audience to gain a connection to you. In fact, I've been running our coaching calls here at CGN for give or take the past 6 months, and I had a client on a call once tell me that talking to me felt like they were talking to a celebrity because they've seen all of my videos on YouTube before. Now imagine you get that compliment before hopping on a sales call. Do you think that closing that person is going to be easier or harder? Definitely easier. Video is without a doubt the most effective marketing strategy, especially because of all the platforms that are adopting it as their focus. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, and obviously YouTube. However, video has the highest barrier to entry because of all the factors that go into it. Between gaining confidence just to be on camera, learning and figuring out what to say, and teaching yourself editing, it does have the biggest learning curve. If you're looking to get started with video, here's your baseline. 1, use your phone as your camera. I'm not joking, it's the camera that I use the most often. 2, microphones. You can get a $50 set of mics on Amazon that work great for your phone. I've used them personally and I've seen other people use them as well. I will link them down below in the description. And then editing. I get this question all of the time from our clients. Which editing software should I use? And we highly recommend CapCut. 1, because it's free. 2, it's available on literally any device, computer, tablet, or smartphone. And then also, it's super user-friendly as well. And we have a whole guide teaching you how to use CapCut for your video editing. You can check that out right here. Okay, so I just gave you the gear recommendations, but the question is, what should I make? Your first set of videos should be answering the common questions that you get on sales calls. This could be, how much does your typical service cost? What does it look like to work with you? How long does it take? And what are the top trends in my industry? These are perfect videos to get started because it's information that you know off the back of your hand, so you don't have to think a lot. You're gaining confidence on camera, and they don't require extensive editing. Now that we know how to get started with video, let's move over to blogs. And blogs are read during the customer's research phase and are typically more educational than videos. Blogs typically go hand in hand with an SEO strategy, predominantly based around what keywords you're targeting to get found higher in Google. If we're trying to rank on Google for bathroom remodeling in Charlotte, we're gonna write blogs surrounding bathroom remodeling. They could be, how much does a typical bathroom remodel cost? How much does a bathroom remodel add to a home's value? And what are bathroom remodeling trends of this year, whatever year you're writing that blog? One of the questions I get all the time now is, oh my God, can ChatGPT write my blogs for me? No. And the reason why is because Google does not like artificially written content. Google has billions of dollars and has programs in place to be able to detect if a blog was AI generated. This is deemed unoriginal content. Now, you may see an initial spike in traffic from these blogs. However, as Google gets smarter and figures out, oh, hey, this was written by an AI and not a human, you're going to see a drastic decrease in your search volume. And I don't know about you, but I personally don't want to be punished by a $1,000,000,000 corporation that literally runs the internet. Blogs I consider to be in the middle when it comes to barrier of entry, because you still need to be able to write in proper English with proper spelling. Nothing looks more unprofessional than incorrect spelling and grammar on a website. Now, I think the easiest when it comes to barrier of entry is actually a podcast. Podcasts are great for both an entertainment and an education tool. In fact, over 120 million Americans listen to podcasts in 2022. A podcast can be described as your own radio show. And the reason that I call it the easiest content to make is because you're simply just talking. You're just talking to a microphone like this. You could be talking about your business, you could be talking to your employees, you can be talking to other partnerships that you may have. It can be either interview style or free flow, but typically I prefer some structure because I find that works the best. I love podcasts because of how easy they are. All you need is a microphone or your voice memo app, hit record, and you're on your way. Plus, publishing a podcast has never been easier. I recommend Anchor.fm to get started. This is the distributing platform that will push your podcast to all the platforms. Oh, and it's absolutely free. As a final method to introduce content into your business, what's better than pictures and infographics? They say that a picture is worth 1,000 words, right? So you may as well incorporate that into your marketing strategy. These can be before and after photos, project updates, or behind the scenes with you and your team. On the infographic side, customer reviews work great for this. Simply screenshot a review or copy the text and then paste it onto a graphic. Canva is a great platform to get started with editing infographics and pictures. Their premium plan is only $15 a month, and even their free plan is pretty solid as well. They have great templates to actually help you get started in making great picture content. And there you have it. Those are 4 ways to start using content in your business. My best advice is pick the one that feels the most natural to you to get started. You can always pivot and change later, but you really do just have to start. Also, don't be too hard on yourself at first. You're probably going to suck, and that's absolutely okay. But the only way to get better is by doing it consistently. In fact, just yesterday, I was looking over our Instagram with Logan, and it's incredible to see the journey that our Instagram has been on from 2 years ago to when I started all the way up to now. But if you want to suck less at creating videos to start off, watch this video all about filming with just your phone.